Ninja blenders are one of the most popular kitchen device brands on the market, and for good reason. But are they actually worth your money or just overhyped? Let's break it down right here on Is It Worth It? Let's start with what Ninja does really well. Ninja's whole thing is giving you a ton of power without a premium price tag. You don't have to spend $400 on a blender just to crush ice and blend frozen fruit. Even their mid-range models can handle smoothies, shakes, protein drinks with very little effort. If all you really care about is does it blend quickly, Ninja nails that. The next thing is versatility. Most Ninja blenders don't just blend, they chop, they crush, they make smoothie bowls, and some even need dough. You can go from blending a margarita to making salsa to mixing pancake batter, all with the same machine. Now that's a big plus if all you want is one appliance that can do a little bit of everything. Now let's compare the price to the value. Ninja consistently beats the competition when you compare what you get for the money. Big pictures, strong motors, single serve cups, presets, auto IQ programs, all at the price that most people can actually afford. So if you're just upgrading from, say, a $25 blender from Walmart, the jump in performance feels significant. So far so good, right? Well, here's a few places that Ninja falls short. It's not great for hot blending. Most Ninja blenders can't safely blend hot soups or sauces. If you want that Vitamix style make soup from scratch in your blender experience, Ninja's not going to give you that. The next thing is texture. These blenders are powerful, but they're not always the smoothest. Thicker blends, fibrous greens, and big batches sometimes need extra time or stirring. Not bad, just not professional grade. And finally, the build quality is really good. It's not premium. At this price point, you're getting great value. But the plastic, the lids, the locking system, it's not as durable as the ultra premium brands. They last, but they're not indestructible. So who is the Ninja perfect for? It's great for smoothie lovers, parents making quick shakes or baby food, people who want a blender and a food processor combo, anyone who wants that performance without spending $300 or more, or someone with a small kitchen where one appliance needs to do multiple jobs. If that's you, Ninja's honestly one of the best deals out there. Having said that, serious chefs who want Vitamix level smoothness, or people who regularly blend hot soups, or anyone that wants professional food processing that slices, dices, shreds, if you want something built like that that's a tank that's going to last 10 years, you're probably better off with a more premium brand. So, are Ninja blenders worth it? For most people, yes, 1000% worth it. They're powerful, versatile, and priced right. If you want a reliable everyday blender that punches above its price, Ninja's going to be hard to beat. But if you want the smoothest performance, the quietest motor, and the ability to blend hot soups, you're going to need to spend a little more. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on Is It Worth It?